This pasta is so good that people cook it 3 times a week. It is a simple recipe, but the flavors are absolutely incredible and very satisfying.
You just need to boil your pasta, add a pinch of salt, and let it cook for 5 minutes.
First, we take the crisp cabbage, then the fresh pepper, and finally the carrot. You must slice them all very thin to ensure they cook perfectly evenly.
Chicken, salt, pepper, and this changes everything. Cook until golden, because this is the flavor that makes the perfect meal for your family to enjoy together tonight.
Pinch of black pepper and paprika. Mix well. Then add 100 milliliters of soy sauce and let it cook for another minute.
Now add the chicken back in.
Followed by the cooked pasta. Mix everything together thoroughly so that the noodles can absorb all those delicious savory flavors.